there's the seal. You can see that. The damn thing. It's fucking leaking. But that is the only one I could find. It has a rubber tit that sticks out about like that far. Way too fucking long. But the inside of the seal itself, actually fit that drive shaft. The others that I had, they wouldn't fit it. And of course, you know, I got a two-piece drive shaft here. Hold on. It's a two-piece shaft right there. Carrier bearing and all that horse shit. But the damn thing, it ain't just, you know, pouring out. It leaks. You know, I got new U-joints in here. I had new U-joints put in the rear, in here. Down there looks rusty as hell, but I put brand new U-joints in it. When I got ready to take that trip to Arkansas, I put new tires on it all the way around, every damn thing. And it was making that ticking noise on that starter. Now let's look at that. Let me start it and stop it because the video just gets so damn long. Turn that off. So we'll have a couple, 2 or 3 shorts. But that's the Chev transmission, and I'm trying to find that seal that fits that thing. It should just be a flat one and not have that rubber tip sticking out.